Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you how I store my moringa after I would have washed it, cleaned it, put it to dry and so on. I would usually store it in a container like this. Unfortunately this one's cover got broken, or I can store it in a Ziploc bag, which is what I think I will do because of the cover situation. So these were left for a very long time drying, so that's why you see some of them are already turning a lighter color than green. So that's how I store it, in case you guys are wondering. And yeah, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it's not gonna work, so let me do it and come back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put these in here and lock it in, so whenever I need some I'll just open it and grab it. Right, so yeah, that's how I store my moringa leaves. And sometimes when I use the powder, I'll probably grind it up and use these little recyclable containers to put the powder in. I don't have any ground up powder at the minute, but this is what I will usually store it in because this locks very nicely.